Hey y'all, it's Brother Nick. It's January 25th, 2026, and we are frozen in. Got about a half inch to an inch of ice and sleet. There's nobody on the streets. Whole city's closed down. Some slippery stuff here. That's it. Look at that. As far as you can see, we're frozen. Ice storm. Man. Got all our plants in. Here's some crackling going on. Yeah, there's some slippery stuff here. Yep. So the city's closed down. Just gonna stay in, make some soups. Some lima beans, cabbage. Gonna stay in, so y'all be safe. We're praying for everyone. About 3 days of this. Then maybe we'll get back to normal. Anyway, God bless you. We love you. We're praying for you. And Brother Nick in Austin, Texas. Home of the ice storms. All right. Have a great day. Peace out.